episode of Mommy Sea Star. It's Sunday today, and I'm gonna make some Sunday tortillas for the family. This is masa harina. It's the more masa with water, and I'll put some salt, and that's the mixture. This is my fancy Pyrex bowl that I found at the thrift store. They're all the rage. Look at that cool yellow color. So retro. Yeah, so I'm actually usually bringing history to life. And let's make some tortillas. It's a nice gun. I love cooking with simple ingredients. Those are like the tastiest dishes. Simple ingredients that are healthy from nature. Look at that. Ooh, it's fun to squish it together, make it like a nice ball. Good Sunday thing to do. There goes my spoon. Mixing the dough is the easy part, and I just use the recipe on the back of the masa harina on the bag. See? It has a recipe for tortillas right here, so that's the easy part. But then it takes a long time. You gotta roll the little balls and then smash them as thin as you can. And I don't have a tortilla press. Yeah, you have nice teeth. Yeah. And then I don't have a tortilla press, so I'll use like the bottom of a pot probably to smash them really, really thin. But that's hard, and then you gotta fry them. That takes a long time. So I rolled the dough into these balls, and now I'm going to flatten them. My trusty teapot works for this. It's really flat. It's a good size. That teapot works great for flattening the dough. Now I'm ready to fry them on the stove top. There we go. Alright, let's put some olive oil in the pan and fry these up. Yummy. You like it? He's pretending he's a statue. I think he likes it. I love these. They're so yummy. Woo. They're still hot and so fresh. Delicious. One? Ooh, yummy. You gonna have one? You want a tortilla? Oh, it's hot! Yummy. Oh, yum. Yummy.